Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best smart lock in this year.
Welcome to our channel, the only place to find the best products for buyers who want to save their time and stress of figuring out what to buy. Out of many products, we have tried our best to highlight both the merits and demerits of the products, and in the last, based on our observation, we have shown the best product that will not go worthless. What we consider for selecting a particular product are brand reputation, ease of use and flexibility, durability, price, as well as customer feedback. If you watch this video until its end, then it will be you who must feel that this video has contributed much on taking decision which product to buy, and ultimately this will lead you to pick the best one. Last but not the least, that we also want your hard-earned money to be used for the purchase of the best ranked and well-performed product.
August Wi-Fi 4th Generation Smart Lock. You don't have to wait a long time to find the best smart lock at an affordable price. Yes, I am talking about the smart lock brought to you by trusted brand August. It looks attractive because of its silver color. To make your older deadbolt secure, smarter, and convenient, you can think of buying this omnipotent device. You can allow permanent, temporary, and scheduled access to your trusted guests with the August app. It is easy to install that facilitates auto lock and unlock systems. Yale Assure Lock SL Key-Free Smart Lock. This is probably one of the best smart locks at an affordable price. Yale Security has made it. The company uses alloy steel to make it up. Now you can lock and unlock your door with the Home app of Apple and by asking Siri. You can have access from anywhere if you have an Apple TV in front of your door. You can create a schedule for locking the door at the same time of the day. It is easy to install, and you can share access with trusted persons.
Halfway of our list, I really appreciate your patience with keenness to watch this video, and also expect that you will definitely watch this video until it ends. Check out the links in the video description to get other information on each product. watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest videos in the future.